Hey guys, here's how we brought our spring summer collection to life. We started off with the designs and pattern making, think cute tops, flowy skirts, and comfy pants. For fabrics, we went all in on soft pastels, florals, gingham, and light stripes. After that, it was stitching time, and of course, every piece went through a solid quality check before it found its way to you.
Hi guys, it's Nefertari.
Hi, it's Palak.
So we're basically at the fittings for our upcoming e-commerce shoot. So I've got a hold of Palak and I'm gonna do a little bit of a rapid fire. So Palak, why don't you tell me, how did you first find out about Neff's Finds?
So, besides being a model at Neffs, I've also been a customer, and from the very beginning, I guess when you launched your very own website, so I picked a lot of Neffs pieces from that time.
Okay, so you said you've bought a lot of pieces from Neff's Finds. What is your favorite piece you've worn of ours ever?
So, my favorite piece has to be the ebony waistcoat because it's like so versatile and I've styled it many times.
Okay, so you've also gotten a sneak peek at a lot of our spring collection pieces. What is your favorite spring piece that you've tried on so far?
So the entire collection is great, like you guys have to try it. But my favorite would be the blue set, and it's like great for the spring and summers.
I'm super excited about our e-com shoot that's tomorrow. So we'll be seeing you guys then. So we are currently doing our hair and makeup and we're with Ella. The vibe for the makeup, it's basically our spring collection. So it's very summery, very fresh. This is like our makeup reference. For hair, we're going with like really nice beach waves.
And then food.
So for a long time we had this idea in our mind that we wanted to sort of involve our community when it comes to our campaign shoots. And so we reached out to everybody through our Instagram.
We weren't really expecting a lot of responses, but we were, I think, pleasantly surprised when a lot of people did show
Yeah.
interest. But then we finally shortlisted on 4 Neffs muses that we thought would perfectly embody the spirit of the new collection. Now the idea behind the campaign shoot with our spring collection, the colors are very pastels. So we also wanted the campaign shoot to reflect a little bit of everything. For mood shots, we wanted them to be really Pinteresty. We wanted the girls to be laughing, twirling, and they should just feel confident in the clothes that they're wearing.
How organized are you?
We packed different sizes differently, and we also have a list of everything that we're carrying.
Okay guys, currently behind the scenes of our spring shoot. What are we up to so far?
All fun.
Yeah? How are you liking the outfits?
It's amazing.
Really?
Especially this one.
And what's your favorite so far?
I love this one. I love the gingham piece. Everything is so dainty and so feminine and beautiful. I really love it.
How does it feel to go from shopping Neff's Finds to actually representing the campaign?
Okay, so it is actually surreal. I could not miss on the opportunity. Like the minute I saw the story, I decided to go for it. It was great.
I mean, if you're a part of it, you already know how incredible it is. The clothes, the people behind this. And now that I've actually gotten to meet everyone and actually, see the behind the scenes a little bit, I'll just say we're in the right place.
Chahat, what are you doing?
I am currently getting videos of them.
I'm getting pictures of them.